Evaluate 10 plus 6 times 5 minus 5 times 5. Now, whenever you see a numerical expression with a bunch of different operations in it, you can't just go left to right. You have to follow what's called the order of operations. Now, the way I remember the order of operations is this word, PEMDAS. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? Well, the P stands for everything inside the parentheses first. E stands for exponents. The M and D means we're going to multiply, divide, left to right. The A and the S stand for add or subtract, left to right. Now, what we do here is see, do we have any parentheses that we can work inside? No, we don't, so you're done. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't, so you're done. Can I multiply or divide anywhere left to right? Yes, I can. 6 times 5 is multiplication. So I'm going to do 6 times 5 first. That's 30. Now everything else that we haven't touched yet drop down. 10 plus drops down, minus 5 times 5 drops down. Do I have any more multiplication that I can do? Yes, I do. 5 times 5 right here is going to be 25. So drop down 25 and bring down everything else I haven't touched yet. So 10 plus 30 minus that 25. Now, do I have any more multiplication or division left? Nope, so we're done that step. Now, we do addition, subtraction, left to right. So going left to right, I have 10 plus 30, which is 40. Now, I can drop down that minus 25 because that's leftover. And I have one more step to do, and that's subtract 40 minus 25. 40 minus 25 is 15. So I am done everything. All my steps are complete. My answer is 15.